Hi guys, Dave's here. Well, I've got a piece of cedar in here, and I cut it down. It's 19 inches long. It's 7/4 inches wide. I bought this at Lowe's, and we're going to make us a camper sign outfit using the 90-degree V-bit. So stay tuned. Okay guys, just I finished painting it, and I cut it out with the scroll saw, and I went ahead and painted the ends here black, and I blew it off real good and everything, wiped it down, and now we're going to spray. Okay guys, I let it dry overnight, and here it is. And I got the trees painted up and everything, got the deer painted. You could paint this different colors, whatever you want. But this is something else we can make on our CNCs. And as always, thanks for watching guys.